All right, here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. Like to call it a heist because it paid me. $213.34 worth of goods is all said and done. Had an overage, a money maker of $20.22. And yes, of course, as always, I include the tax. That total does include all taxes and everything, so that's accurate. This is for the week of October 14th to October 20th or October 13th to October 19th if you're up north a little bit. So I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away and do the deals yourself before coupons are out of print or the deals go away. So let's get right into everything we got. Last week I had a $225 worth of goods and over a $37 moneymaker. So every week I'm paid to shop, and did it again this week. Overage of $20.22. Okay, I did this over 4 transactions. So you can do all these deals, but I did it over 4 transactions. I'm going to explain why in a little bit. But let me just get through probably the 20 or so deals that were going on this week. And they're very good deals, as always. We got here muscle milk. We'll start over here. These were $3.49, and they are near the Gatorade sports drink aisle, and they are $3.49. And there's a Publix digital coupon for $3.49, a free one. So marks that $3.49 off. They were free. So as you can see, I had 2 accounts that I used the digital coupons on. Keep it going. Mountain Dew Rise. Oh, way over there. So that's another digital coupon. I clipped this a couple weeks back, but still had it in there. It was $2.50 with tax, $2.71. It doesn't give you the tax back. It gives you $2.50 back, so you pay 21 cents on that guy right there. Let's keep it going. Kitu Espresso. Been doing this deal a while, and it keeps resetting in aisle. It's kind of like a bottle, except you sign up, you get a phone number, you text your receipt to that phone number, and they usually get back to you right away and get you some money. So these are 2 for $5, so $5 for both of them, no tax on them. And I got $2 back from aisle on each one, so only costing me $1 for both of those. Bubbly Bounce. These are $1.50. with tax, came to $1.62, and Ibotta has a free one, so $1.50 back, so you pay just 12 cents. You just pay the tax on that. CLR bathroom cleaner. This is the least expensive CLR one. There's $4.69. So both of them would have cost me $4.69 plus tax. For both of them would have cost me $10.18. They were BOGO, so it cost $5.09. On Ibotta, you got $1.25 off of each one, costing you $2.59. So paying $2.59 for both of these, not something I usually do, but I wanted to get to it. So I had this $10 off of 40 Sprouts competitor coupon accepted. Thus I broke it up, all this stuff, into 5 transactions, just going over $40 each time, so I'd get that $10 off. And they put this in the mail, and well, I guess it wound up in the wrong hands, because I got about 10. I got a good bit of them, and when you got a $10 off of 40, you're gonna do some work here. So I did some work today. So we keep going. What else we got? CLR. Okay, Yakult. Same kind of thing. I had the 2 accounts, and it's a Publix digital coupon. Clip that. It's $3.29, and you get it all back. It's a free one, so $3.29 back, costing you 0. This is the HODO tofu. So these have been on there before, and this week they're BOGO. They're $5.99. I bought 10 of them, so that's $59.90 worth of tofu, and they were BOGO, so it's only cost me $29.95. I have a manufacturer printable for $2.50 off, and probably you can use it 8 times. There's no limit on it. So $29.95 paid for those in the 2 transactions. $25 off from the coupon. All the links and a detailed breakdown are below, so if you need to print these coupons, you can print them out. I'm speaking kind of fast. All the deals will be there with accurate everything that I did, what insert coupons came from, so on and so forth. So $29.95 for those 10, $25, 10, $2.50 coupons, so 25 off in coupons. Cost me $4.95 for those tofus. What else we got? Nature's Recipe dog food. Whoa. So this was not the best deal, but as I said, I had the kind of kicker on there, so I knew I was gonna come out, ahead. So this is $11.59 with tax. For two of them, cost $25.15. They're BOGO, so makes it a good deal. $12.58 for two of them, and it's a manufacturer printable for $3 off each bag. $3 off, $3 off. I paid $6.58 for these ones here. Obviously, I paid less because I had 10 off of my total. Keep it going. Danimals. These are a good deal as well. $3.09 each, regular price. So that comes to $12.36. They're BOGO this week. So when you buy 4 of them, it comes to $6.18. And from the Smart Source of August 8th, there's $2 off manufacturer coupon. So that's $8 off right there of each box, $2 off each one. $1.82 moneymaker on those. I always save my inserts until every coupon in there has expired, and that's a good reason why, because that's a 2 months ago. Let's keep it moving. Silk Oak. Silk Oak is another Publix digital coupon, but this time the deal is even sweeter because it's on Ibotta for $1.50 back. So you buy one for $3.99. It comes off at the register when you type in your phone number. That's how a digital coupon works. And then I submitted to Ibotta, made a $1.50 moneymaker on that. The Band-Aid gauze, I've gotten this before, and they are $1.79 each. So I buy 6 of them in my 2 transactions, and it comes to $10.74. There's a store coupon for $3 off of 2. And there's also a digital coupon for 75 cents off. And I believe there's a 75 cents off of from the Smart Source 1010. So you can either mix one of each. I think it is a limit of 1. Obviously, it's a digital coupon. It's a limit of 1. So these 6 cost me $10.74 and came to $11.75 in the coupons, so it was a 101 moneymaker on that. And once again, everything helped me get up to that $40 threshold so I could get 10 off of the total. Keep going. We got the Splenda, and I did this deal last week, and once again it reset in Ibotta. These are $9.99 for the diabetic shakes. This one's $4.19. You gotta buy both, so you're spending $14.18. When you type in your phone number, digital coupon, it takes this whole thing off, $9.99 off. You gotta love that. And then you can submit to Ibotta, get $3 more off, and you submit to Ibotta for $1 off of that one. Both of these $14.18 and only cost me 19 cents. And once again, we got that 10, so we love that. The KOIA keto and protein, these were $3.99, and I had a completely free one. And actually, they sent me 3 of them. I joined the KOIA crew, and I have the link to join that down below. And in the mail, they sent me those, so that was kind of exciting. So I opened that up and used them today. What else we got? Super coffee. It's another one. And this one, okay, this one you probably can't do this deal, but in my store, in the cooler, they have these for $2.49. On the shelf, it's $2.99. So when that happens, it's called a Publix promise, and it only happens if the price is wrong, kind of in their favor, as in the advertised price on the shelf is lower than what you pay at the register. If it's the other way around, then they don't give you anything. But if it is that situation where the price is wrong and it's lower on the shelf and at the register it rings up higher, they give you it back, and they give you your money back, and they give you the item for free. Before I did that, though, I made sure I submitted it to aisle and got $2 off, $2 back, so that was a $2 moneymaker on that. Yeah, I've couponed before, so let's keep going here. Tates cookies is another one. These are $1, and it's in Ibotta. What you do, you don't even scan it. You just select it before you buy it. It automatically. Ibotta's been taking everything off automatically. You don't really have to scan much anymore. They've kind of updated their system, and it's working very well. So keep it going. Breakstone Cottage doubles. These are $1.25 each. You buy 4 of them, costing you $5. And then Ibotta has 75 cents off each one. 75 cents times 4. You get $3 back from Ibotta. There's that $1 off 4 digital coupon. So when you buy 4 of them for $5, it's only going to cost you $1. And I'm not even going to go back, but you know I'm always trying to get over for $4. We got the Nature Made Magnesium and the Nature Made Potassium. Oh, these are all magnesium, but there's also the potassium I've seen, and they're the least expensive Nature Made. The zinc I think is $4.79. These are $4.39. So if you can find these, it's hit or miss. Some stores have them, some stores don't. $3 store coupon, $1 off digital coupon. These, instead of $4.39, you get 3 off and $1 off. Cost 39 cents for those. A limit of 1. What else we got? Royal rice, $2.19 for these guys. And check your Ibotta, because there's $1 off royal rice and there's $1.50 off. And if you buy the right one, which you always want to scan them before you check out. So I scanned it, and sure enough, these couple of them you get $1.50 back. So these are regular price, and there's no sale on them. They're $2.19. So you buy 5 of them, $10.95, $7.50 back. $1.50 times 5 is $7.50 back. So paid $2.45 for those. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Good pops. I better hurry up and make the video before the pops do melt. So these are on sale, $4.99. You get 2 of them would cost me $10.83. Of course, they're BOGO this week. You pay $5.36 for 2 boxes. There is a manufacturer printable, and I'll give you the link below the video to print that. It's $1 off. And there is Ibotta, gives you $1 off. So you get $1 off, $1 off, and $1 off, $1 back, and $1 back from Ibotta. You're spending $5.36, and you are getting $4 back, $1.36 total on those. Last thing I got, and these are hard to find, but if you still, as I said, I went to 4 stores, and I only found 2 of them. So these are $1.59 each. With tax for 2 of them is $3.45. Manufacturer printable, I got the link to print that below, is $1.75 of each one. I'm not sure if it's out of prints or not, but I'll give you the link. See, $3.50 back in coupons. It's a 5-cent money maker. And once again, everything was giving me, using 4 of those in 4 transactions. That's $40 off my total. So that made me get paid my $20.22. Detailed breakdown is below. You know, once again, I didn't do as good as last week, where I had $225 worth of stuff and I had a $38 moneymaker. Today, or this week, $213 worth of stuff, and I had over a $20 overage moneymaker. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right here. Here's more times I got paid to shop and more cool things right here, and you know, enjoy your couponing trip this week.